you have 12 books in that series, and it shows the progress of initial impact of an emergency all the way through how survival and what in book 12, like how many years has it been since the initial book technically in the
almost one.
Almost after 12 books, you're almost a year later from the initial impact. And you're writing about some of was this at the beginning of the show, or was this before we started, where you're saying that the next several books might be politically, kind of?
Oh yes, yeah. The series is going to continue on through trying to restore a country, and going so far as to codifying the language of the Constitution of the United States to ensure there's no ambiguity. There's going to be no way to argue over what these amendments mean ever again in a court anywhere. That's what I'm doing in the story, of course. But
well,
I've also got some new works. Go ahead.
I think it's great that you're writing it in a way that's entertaining and educational, because more of our country needs to know about our Constitution. They need to know about what our rights really are. They need to know about what the separation of powers really are. They need to know about what politics should really be and who representatives should really be. And so I think that's great.